Welcome back to Girls Always Talk. I hope you guys are all doing fabulous. Yes, you heard me, fabulous. And if you're not doing fabulous, give yourself a big hug and a big kiss. And I promise you that you should be feeling a whole lot better. Let's get started. Hi guys, I have a really quick DIY for you guys that I thought that I would share with you guys, because I broke my glasses. Here they are, and these glasses, they're like really dear to me. I just really do love them. I've had them for about 5 to 6 years, I would say, and I have it in silver and I have it in gold. But of course, one of the handles here broke off, as you can see, and I was so disappointed. But as I took a closer look at it, I realized, you know what, it's only the screw that came out of it, and maybe I can fix it myself. So I remembered I bought this little kit at the DOLLARAMA quite a little while ago, and it also has a tiny little screwdriver in it. It is to fix your glasses. So I decided that I am going to give it a try myself, and hopefully I can solve the problem. Now you guys, ignore my nails. I didn't do them today because I wanted to try and fix these glasses myself, and it would be hard to do that with my nails on, so ignore my fingers, okay? So guys, I have another glasses that's broken, like really badly. I can't do anything with it but throw it in the garbage. So what I've decided to do is to go ahead and take the screw. Can you see it right there? By using this tiny little screwdriver, I'm just going to take the screw out of here, and basically I'm going to use it into my other glasses. So I've gone ahead and I have taken out the screw. Hopefully you guys can see it. There it is. Alrighty. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, is I am gonna position the, let's see, this is the way that it goes. Right? Yep, just like that. So just make sure that you've positioned it and it's nice and straight so you can see the hole. And just use your tiny little screw, guys, and just insert it right into the hole. This might be hard for you guys to see. Like that. And then you get your tiny little screwdriver, just like this, and you just go right ahead and screw it in. is, guys, all finished. I got the screw in, and it is definitely usable right now. I'm so happy that I was able to do it for myself. And I know sometimes it's hard to think, oh, maybe I can't do it, but you know what, guys, with the right tools you can probably do a whole lot of things. Alrighty, so there you got it. I'm so happy now I can wear my glasses again. So I just thought I would share that with you guys. Alrighty, so hopefully you guys loved the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You know that I would really love to have you as my family. And as always, big kisses, you guys. And remember, if you're not talking, no one's listening. What did I say? If you're not talking, ain't nobody listening. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.